Okay, what up everybody? This is the most anticipated camera comparison that I promised you guys. A71, Samsung's mid-range phone versus one of the top tier phones out in the market today, the Samsung Note20 Ultra. And here we go immediately. You can already see the Note20 Ultra is more vibrant. It's more contrasty. You can see in the sky the dynamic range is handled better there, where the A71 has the sky blown out. Same with the rear normal shot. Not too much difference, although I'll say the Note21 Ultra again is doing much better here with dynamic range. What do we have next? The wide angle. Again, the Note20 Ultra handling the colors better. As you can see, the sky is not blown out as compared to the A71, but that's expected. The mid-range versus the top tier. With the live focus, the Note20 is, let's say, more vibrant in color. It depends on your taste. Look at this shot, man. Okay, this is the live focus from the front camera. Both are very similar. I can't pick within the two. I like them both. This is the normal shot in the front camera. Although the Note20 Ultra has a wider view, I'd say, and this was all taken automatic. Automatic mode with the beauty mode down to 0. I tried to get a macro shot of the flower, but the wind kept moving. That's the best I could get out of that situation. A71 doing a pretty good job there. Over here, I think the A71 is better because for some reason the Note20 Ultra has this bokeh effect around the rock. I don't know why it did that, but here I would choose the A71. Very clear, you can see that. And now we've moved over to a slightly dark area inside my house. Note20 Ultra capturing a little bit more light into the shot. Oh, and look at the night mode on. The Note20 Ultra is killing it, man. Their software just killed it on this one. Jeez, and I thought my A71 was good. Okay, now we move over to the selfie. Slightly dark. Both not doing well. Night mode on. Hey. There goes the Note20 Ultra, also not doing bad in the selfie department. Look at that. And I can tell you it was a slightly dark in that part of my house. This is now with the rear flash on. I don't know what happened with my A71. It kind of looks whitish. The Note20 Ultra, very, very vibrant with their colors. And this is a selfie shot using the flash. I don't know what the A71 is doing. It's got this white tint on it. Note20 won that one. Ooh, here we are. Video samples up next. And I had this on a rig. So the Note20 Ultra from the video, and this was all taken at 4K. The colors are more pronounced on the Note20 Ultra. A71 is not doing a bad job either. The color reproduction is similar. Now what I always try to do is I try to take shots of the sky. Oh, Note20 Ultra just killed it here. Although the A71, let's see if that camera goes back up. A71 kind of got it, but it's slow on the autofocus, quicker on the Note20 Ultra. And now we are trying the wide angle. Ooh. It's kind of darker on the A71. And here I just quickly try out the stabilization on both. Wow, it's very smooth on the Note20 Ultra. That's why that thing costs that much. And look, it's very bright. I love it.
You know.
Okay, front video.
Now we're testing out the front video.
Jeez, I left audio on that.
Look at the color
And let's see what other differences. Very similar in the front video.
Sky.
The sky, well, blown out on the A71. Let's see it go back again to the sky.
Go back to the sky.
Yeah, the Note 20 Ultra handled that pretty well.
Check this out, everybody. The one
Then you have
thing
this.
that the Note 20 Ultra has that the A71 doesn't have is the live focus for video.
You're paying the extra
So
bucks
this
for
is
that.
kind of duplicating or mimicking what a DSLR can do.
It's quite
So
good,
giving
though.
That bokeh effect for live video. This is very nice, man. So if you're using this for vlogging, this is perfect for like vlogging in outdoor areas
Perfect for
or
vlogging.
beautiful scenery like the mountains or the beach. And you get this little bokeh effect.
And
Okay,
this is
so
one
this is
inside
the
my
selfie
house again,
cam
where it was pretty dark.
Video at minimal light. Let's go this way. Very minimal light. It's
The light
dark
is
here.
just coming in from the curtains, by the way.
As you can see. Let's go outside.
Although,
It looks like.
I like the colors on the A71 on this one. Let's see again.
Go back inside.
Yeah, I love the colors on the A71 on this shot.
Video from the rear
And
camera.
now this is the rear camera with slight light coming in from the window.
Okay.
And this dark shot, that's my stairs. Okay, let's see how it handles on the shadows. Okay. Very similar. And now with the front flash on. Again, the A71 kind of has, with the flash, if you're using the front flash, it kind of gives it that slight, I don't know, white tint. It's there, it's like slightly there. And now Duroy, we're trying out, he told me to try the autofocus. Very fast on the Note 20 A71. And that was a simple comparison of what I did with the A71 and the Note 20 Ultra. I hope you guys loved that quick comparison. I didn't really go in depth with it as the phone wasn't mine. I just borrowed it. But thank you, Duroy, for letting me use your phone. And thank you very much to all of my new subscribers for keeping this channel alive. I cannot thank you guys more than enough. Thank you. Once again, it's your boy Sly Kane for Estilo Local. And I'm out, baby. Subscribe to the channel, y'all.